Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we are going to be lacing an 18-inch rear wheel that I picked up brand new. It is from Moose Racing. I've got new spokes and new nipples. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get this wheel off and let's get into it. Pulling a valve core.
You know what you're doing with dope ass shoes.
There we go.
You're peeling the tire off the wheel. That's what's happening.
Yeah.
That looks like a real pain in the ass.
It is a real pain in the ass. And there she goes, folks. Warp 9 wheel out. I just gotta get all these spokers out. 3 hours from now, I'm gonna have a wheel done. All right, we got ourselves a hub. What a great time to clean this up and put a dope sticker on the inside. I'm also not gonna build this down here. It's the week between Christmas and New Year's in Texas, so it's hot, and therefore, we're going upstairs. Shout out to my buddy Matt Allard, who is Inked Iron in California. This was the most appropriate sticker I could think of to put on Katie's hub. So, watch for motorbikes. Let's get started. So, unless you like doing this job twice and using an angle grinder the second time, so I am like 75% of the way through the wheel. I have 7 more spokes to go in. There are 8 nipples remaining because Moose was nice enough to send me 1 extra nipple. It doesn't matter though because all of those won't thread on. Moose Racing left me hanging on this, but I guess we're gonna try to freshen up those threads and see what we can make happen. It feels like they coated it wrong and there's too much coating because the threads aren't like bad. These 8 little bastards, these are the problem. 5mm 0.8. Wish me luck. I ended up using the old nipples in 7 spokes. They're not right, they're not permanent, but I wanted to just get to this point where I could have everything locked in. Basically, you take them all till there's a half, maybe 2 threads showing, and then work them slowly up till there's no threads showing, and then just go around the wheel and do every one a quarter turn at a time. So just until it takes about 3 passes around the wheel, which is about 5 minutes realistically. So as long as you take your time, you get to this point where without any truing, there's really almost no wobble in this. So I had to bother Phil on a holiday. He's gonna get me another set of nipples. Maybe they'll be the same color. Maybe they'll be a different color. I don't. Do you care?
Yeah.
I don't think either one of us really cares about the color. I just really want to ride dirt bikes. Do dirt bike stuff. But 36 hole wheel, super easy to lace. We'll talk about truing as soon as I get those, which for me is going to be a couple days from now, but for you is literally right now. See, wasn't that faster for you guys? So we're back now. It's clearly been, I don't know, a while. This was not an overnight process. Phil at San Marcos Motorcycles was nice enough to hook us up. He ordered another package of nipples from Moose Racing. They went ahead and shipped them directly to me, which I was absolutely thankful for. I don't know if this package had also 6 of the wrong thread nipples. That might have been a one-off thing. I didn't check it. I've got a bunch of extra nipples now, so if anybody needs nipples, let me know. I mean, maybe I'll just mail some nipples. You guys want to do a nipple giveaway? I'll give away some nipples. It's not a full set, but it's some, and they're moose, and they're gray, and they're great. This trued up so easily. Honestly, I've never laced a 36-inch wheel before. Honestly, I've never laced a 36 spoke wheel before, but this was one of the easiest wheels I've ever had to go through and true. It probably took me 10 minutes to get it true. And then I had a spoke torque wrench and I brought them all up in sequence to about 42 inch-pounds and then back down to 28 and then back up to 36 where I wanted them ultimately to be at. This is the end result. The bike's pretty great now. I've ridden it, Katie's ridden it, Becca's ridden it, Peter's ridden it. I feel like that's the list right now, but everybody's loved it. It's been a great time. We had a little bit of carb tuning woes and a few other things that we had to sort out here and there. But overall, the 18-inch rear wheel definitely helps with its ability to goat up hills and get through kind of the chunkier terrain. We've got another video coming out where we're gonna go over all of the subtleties and the nuances of what these actual upgrades and modifications did for us and why we chose to go the route we did, because I kind of realized halfway through this that we're not really explaining why we're doing any of this, just that we are. So stick around, click the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do another video where we actually talk about why we did all of the things we did, and there's still one more step that we're gonna do to this bike for conversion. Not really like conversion, but we're gonna do one more thing. And then, you know, we're riding, got some other fun things coming up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Please come back. I appreciate your patronage more than you guys could know, and I try to respond to all the comments. I can't wait to ride dirt bikes with you guys more. Thanks for playing dirt bikes today, and we will see you in the next one.